server, I can show you something fun. It's actually a statistical question. Believe it or not, hopefully by the end of this class you're believing most of it because it tends to show up in your life quite a bit. So HostGator uptime. So very often, let's see if they say it, uptime guaranteed, boom. So HostGator is this server that currently your schedule page is on. You may have never noticed this before. The website that I use, you start at a COCC website, cocc.edu/srule. That's what you type in. You go there. Let me just show you real quick what I'm talking about here. So you go there, cocc.edu/srule, and then as soon as you click on one of these, this is called the domain name right here. This first bit. Watch it when I click over to here. Okay, you see how it changed? Yes. There's a COCC web in front of that now. And the reason for that is, there's a few of us on campus. Me, Bruce Emerson, Chuck Hutchings, there's like 10 of us. But roughly 10% of the faculty do enough weird stuff with our coding that we can't use the strict COCC domain. So in other words, I have a bunch of like executable files I let you guys download if you want to. There are certain types of files the server at COCC won't let me upload. So we have to use, they call it the sandbox. We get to play in the sandbox, me and Bruce and Chuck. So it's this alternate server. This is the server from which the schedule page got deleted last week. So when you click on that schedule link last week, it was just a big blank page. I don't know why. And at the same time, on Friday, when I noticed, this HostGator site was down for what they call routine maintenance. Now that happens once in a while. They only guarantee me, hang on, they guarantee me a 99.9% uptime guarantee in any, did they give you a month? No, they don't. I thought it was per month. 99.9% of the time, that means the website should be up and running. So what I read that to mean is out of every 1,000 minutes of time, 999 of them, you can click on things and find stuff. 1 minute per 1,000 is down. That doesn't sound bad until they all happen on Friday. I think that's what happened was they all happened in a 4-hour window on Friday. And not only that, they deleted one of my damn files. Just the most important one you guys use, the one that everything is linked to. So I apologize, my friends, that you had to go in there and click on that page and it wasn't there. It's back now. I came up Sunday afternoon and got it uploaded once the server was back. I don't know what happened. They won't answer my emails. Poor Ed doesn't know what the hell's going on. So let me explain to me again how you delete a file. Well, nobody seems to know. It's back up and running. I keep an eye on it. I check it every day, which is how I knew it was down. I just didn't have a fix for you because I couldn't actually put it back because I couldn't get on the server. So I apologize. If anything like that happens in the next 3 weeks, I'll find some alternate path to get information to you with. The biggest problem with it was I couldn't make enough solution videos for quizzes last week. You guys got one, I think, of the 2 videos that were posted, or the 2 quizzes that were posted. You have 1 solution, but not 2. I ran out of time because I was dealing with this crap all weekend in between, doing family stuff. So I promise you better videos this week for the quizzes that are posted this week. I don't know if I'm going to get back and post videos for the quizzes last week now. Yeah, Trey.
Haven't you already had a problem with these guys?
Yes. But the thing is, they have to pull the server down for routine maintenance quite frequently, and they have a Twitter page where they actually put up when it's going to happen. This wasn't on that Twitter page on Friday, which is what makes me think something weird happened. And 99.9%, if I'm reading that correctly, out of every 1,000 minutes, there's 1 minute that something goofy happens. Yeah. If you save that up and use it all in one chunk, it's still 99. It's better than 99.9%. It's just that it happened at they always seem to do routine maintenance on Friday, which actually makes sense probably for they're on the East Coast, I think. They knock it down at like 3 or 4 o'clock East Coast time, which makes sense. That's right the time I sit down to make your videos and update your website though, because I'm on the damn West Coast. So unfortunately we get caught in the middle sometimes. And you're right, I have had issues with it before, but every site goes down. A lot of times it goes down in the middle of the night when nobody notices. It's very weird that it's happened 3 times on a Friday, and this last one where a file got erased really makes me kind of like, what the hell? So anyway, we're back up and running now. I'll try to keep it back up and running for you. Apologies if it inconvenienced you, but she's all working again. So, all right, close.
So have you figured out what you're entitled to as far as free?
They won't even know me back. They don't know what's going on yet. All I'm entitled to is getting your stuff back up so you guys can get to it.